First we have to go to Google Chrome. Then search for Windows 10. Click on the first link. This is Windows 10 official website. Here we can see Update Now option. I would not recommend it. Next is Download Tool Now, but I will show you how to get the direct ISO file. Click on the three dots on top right hand corner, then More Tools, then Developer Tools. In Developer Tools again click on the three dots, then click on Network Conditions. What we are doing is changing Windows browser to mobile browser. Then click on Refresh. As we can see, we have direct option to download Windows 10 original ISO file. Select the edition. Choose the language in which you want to download the Windows file. Select which version of Windows 10 you want, 32-bit or 64-bit. Download is starting. I have already downloaded it, so I am going to cancel it. This is the original Windows 10 ISO file. Please like and subscribe.